It's now common knowledge that MG Motor India, a fully owned subsidiary of SAIC Motor Corporation of China, will be introducing its first product in India in the second quarter of 2019. It will be a C-segment SUV which will be made in Halol in the Indian state of Gujarat. According to MG Motor India President and Managing Director Rajiv Chhabra, the new MG SUV will be manufactured in Halol in both petrol and diesel powertrains and would have at least 75% localization. Within a year of the SUV rollout, the company will be launching an electric vehicle in India. Chhabra even mentioned that the new SUV from MG Motor India will be bigger in dimensions than the Hyundai Tucson, the Jeep Compass and the Honda CR-V. Motown India was invited by MG Motor India to Shanghai to see their facilities and also drive the vehicles at the proving ground in Guangda. MG's parent company SAIC is the biggest vehicle manufacturer in China. In 2017, SAIC Motor Corporation sold 6.93 million vehicles, which included 6.19 million passenger vehicles and 742,000 units of commercial vehicles. Journalists were taken to the Lingang plant of SAIC in the Pudong district of Shanghai. This plant, with its modern manufacturing processes, has dedicated areas for press shop, paint shop, tool shop, assembly lines, etc. A large number of robots aid in the production of vehicles, both of the Roewe brand and the MG brand. Founded in the UK in 1924, Morris Garages has, under SAIC, developed world-class new technology and independent innovative research capability, especially in traditional powertrain, new energy vehicle, internet and intelligent driving technology. The MG brand covers every segment of the mainstream passenger vehicle, especially upmarket, including SUVs. MG vehicles are produced in 4 manufacturing bases across China: Lingang, Nanjing, Henan and Fujian. MG and Roewe are both interchangeable brands of SAIC Motor Corporation. Post the success of Roewe in mainstream Chinese automotive market, SAIC aims to share its technologies with the MG brand. Here at the Lingang plant, both Roewe and MG vehicles are produced. The global annual sales volume of MG in 2017 exceeded 160,000 units, representing a growth of 36% over 2016. In China alone, MG sold 180,000 cars from January to September this year, growing 89% compared to the previous year.